Hey everyone, Techne here, and we have a really cool unboxing slash review here today. I'm extremely excited for this one. I've been waiting for you guys to open this. I honestly haven't even opened it yet, and what we have is a new Xbox One Phantom white controller. As you can see, I haven't even opened it yet. It's been sitting here. I'm like so antsy. Now, as some of you know, if you've been here for a while, you know I love collecting Xbox controllers. I believe I have, 21. I believe this will make 22 now. I don't collect all of them. Like, I don't buy every single one. I just buy the ones that I really like and I think I'll use, because honestly, I use them all. Anyways, back to the Phantom white controller. As you all know before, Microsoft has come out with the Phantom Black, I believe it's called. And what it does is kind of fades from like a silver to the transparent plastic up here, kind of like dark tint black, you know, which is also a really cool one. But again, this one's going to be white, which just looks, let's just open it. All right, so here we go. You know what? I'm going to show it to you guys first. All right, again, I have not opened this yet. So, you know what? I'm saying I'm going to show it to you guys first, but I can see you in the screen, so. But seriously, here, you guys will get first look. I can't even see. I can't even see. I want to see it. Oh, my Lanta. Sweet Mother Mary. That is an absolute beaut. Wow. Can you all get a good view of that? Where it's the smooth, like matte white, fades up to the clear. Oh, mamma mia. Look at this thing. Everything's... now the sticks are the sticks and the buttons in there are a little bit like kind of grayish where the letters are, and then the sticks right there, as you can see. Holy smokes. Wow. Oh man. I love it. I absolutely love it. Really, Microsoft, enough with the batteries. Okay, your next consoles that come out, these controllers need to have rechargeable batteries in it. I understand you can get some marketing deal with Duracell and cut down the cost of the controller, this, that, and the other, you know, for more profit for you. But you always say the gamers come first, and you think about the gamers. We all have been telling you forever, make the controllers rechargeable. Now, inside the box, they also give us a 14-day trial of Gold and a 14-day trial of Game Pass. You want the code? Can you make it out? Oh, let me bring it closer. That is for the Game Pass. Oh, here is for the Gold, if you can make it out. Whoever gets it first, you can have it. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to keep this short and sweet and kind of share this experience with you guys. I'm telling you, this thing is an absolute beaut. I believe they're on sale right now for $59, regularly $69. Even if you don't collect controllers, say if you just need a controller, I still use controllers on my PC when I'm playing like a story game like my Assassin's Creed or stuff like that. I still use a controller. The majority of the time I use mouse and keyboard, but again, if I'm playing like a campaign game like that, I just want to, you know, sit back, kick my feet up. I still use a controller with a little Xbox dongle, and I'm telling you what, you need to pick this thing up. I mean, sure, you can't eat your Cheetos and use this controller, you know what I mean? But wow, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, these Phantom controllers got to be some of my favorites. I mean, they are just absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to see what else they do. Usually do about like a line of 4, like when it was the Shadow ones or the Tech ones or whatever they're called. They usually do a line of 4 of them. So hopefully they come out with some more of these. I really want to see them do like maybe an Xbox green to green. Wow, that would be sharp. How about a red one, right? Fade the red to red plastic. Ooh-wee, that would be nice. So green and red, and I think, wow, that'd be a sweet little collection. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching this short and sweet unboxing review of the Xbox Phantom white controller. Such a beaut. You got to go pick one of these up. It is absolutely gorgeous. But hey, thank you so much for watching this one. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for some future tech videos. And I hope I catch you in the next one. Bye now. What a beaut.